Conway?
What'd you say?
Are you in your apartment right now?
No, I'm not. I actually wasn't in custody anytime when they filed a complaint because I never received a complaint in August. I filed police reports multiple times on that resident. So, anyways, a
Oh,
long story short, I never received a notice. She said she wanted me to move because I was blaming her roommate doing criminal things, but she even did something kind of illegal too. But I'm not going there with that right now. It's just about landlord tenant. All I'm saying is I never said I wanted to stay there and stay in their house for free or whatever, do whatever I want to when I want to or anything or do anything weird because I'm not weird like that. I
all right. Well,
filed
do
multiple
you wish to
I
move?
filed multiple claims to the police department, and it's not just basically on one circumstance from those people. It was multiple other people too. But I don't appreciate you going on and saying I'm writing a book or something like that because I caught you at my legal address when my mom was dying, and my mom lived in a nursing home. And I remember talking to you on the phone specifically, and I told
Well,
you
when you were
that
here in
that the
court,
residents. I told you though, I on the phone on your clerk's office, you said you wanted to see John Dupree in court, and now he supposedly doesn't have anything on record because you're kind of a little nervous because I caught you at my legal address because I changed my address from Constantine so I can get my ID, and I ended up staying there briefly in this lady's house, but like I'm sitting here listening to you, and then I hear you saying to my mother when you pulled her out of a hospital and pulled her outside in front of the yard where my legal address, and Dupree was not outside doing anything. It was you guys, Lisa that used to work
Miss
for the jail,
Conway, could you just
and
take a
you.
breath for a minute?
I can't
You
because I'm really
suffer
pissed off
from
at
mental,
you.
none of the
You
things you just said
no,
happen.
I
But
don't
let me
know.
ask you a
You're gonna
question.
go to
Are
jail,
you willing
Middleton.
to, are you willing
Middleton,
to
you're
move
getting
out of this
arrested.
property?
What I'm telling you is you're going to be arrested, Middleton, and I'm sorry, but I caught you touching my mother, and she's a Bingaman.
Yes. So those are
I caught you putting your
delusional.
hands on my mom.
Uh,
You told my mother you were going to be the reason. No, do not call me delusional because I have it in my home photograph or even memory. You pulled my mother out in the middle of her dying bed when she was already getting home invaded at the nursing home. And you knew that because you broke into the police department with your family a couple months before that.